Hello viewers, welcome to Tech. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press the icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So in last video I have gave you information how to withdraw fund for your Luna wallet. Yes, if you have money in your Luna wallet and you want to transfer fund from your Luna wallet to other wallet or any exchange, so please watch my last video. Last video is very informative for you. So today we are going to discuss about staking. How can we stake over Luna coin in Luna wallet? Yes, you can also get the extra reward from your coin if you have good balance. So in this video I'm giving to complete information, so please watch this video also till end. This video is also very informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also comment below this video if you face any problem, and you can also mail to me my email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com. And you can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So now I'm going to open my Luna wallet. So this video is only educational purpose. I have not balance, but in this video I'm giving to information and give you full procedure. How can you delegate or how can you stake your coin? You can see at this time price is $35. First I'm going to click on wallet, so you can see here I have not any balance in this wallet. But if you have balance, so how can you stake your coin? So simple and easy. Follow these steps which is I'm going to show in this video. Just simple go to the click on staking. You can see here the fourth number is that staking. When you click on it, so after load this all stakers available here, you can see here there is the long list available where you can stake your coin or delegate your coin. You can see here many delegators available here, so you can choose at your option. So I'm going to select first 3 4 any staker, like any delegator. You can see here the fifth number is that let's suppose I want to delegate my coin on this validator, and this time is voting power 0.48% and self delegation 0, and validator commission is 10%, and the validator get with 10% commission, and uptime is 100%. So let's suppose you want to stake your coin on this delegator. You just simple click on this, and after that you can see here view profile of Terra validator. This is the validator, and you can also visit his website. You can see here the cosmicvalidator.com. You just simple click on it and go to their website, and you will get all information about it. So now you can see here voting power, self delegation, commission, and also time. So if you need to delegate your coin, so there is the button is available, delegate. Consider delegate. If you have balance in your Luna wallet, then balance will be shown on this portion, and after delegate you can check your reward on this portion. You can easily withdraw. So if you need to delegate your coin, so just simple click on delegate. After that, let's suppose you have 10 Luna. You just simple write here 10 Luna. I have not balance, so that there's shown the insufficient balance. So let's suppose you have 10 Luna. You just simple click on next, and after that your coin will be delegated on this address. This is the address of, and maximum daily commission change 100%. And after delegate your coin, so you will get reward on this portion, and you just simple click on withdrawal, and you will withdraw your amount in your main interface or main dashboard. This is very easy way. If you have good amount in your Luna wallet, so you can easily stake your Luna in stake area, and you will get the extra money or extra rewards. So I hope viewers you properly understand how can you stake or how can you delegate your amount with delegator or your stake area. So if you face any problem regarding this issue, so you can mail to me my email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comment below this video. I must reply your comments. You can also visit my website my website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So if you get any information from this video, please subscribe my channel also, cryptowalletsinfo.com, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also get the information about Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Tron, Ethereum, Ripple, Newcoin, Litecoin from this website. You just simply go to the Google, type cryptowalletsinfo.com. After that, this website open in front of you where you can get the all information about cryptocurrency wallets. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.